the AG's chamber, Attorney General's chamber, they will put up the video clip, the video recording of the whole proceeding the next day after each day of the trial. The last hearing was the 18th of August, where Dr. Pontip testified, not testified lah, giving her professional opinion over the case, and where Abdul Razak, MACC lead prosecutor, doubt Dr. Pontip's qualification because her university degree is not recognized in Malaysia, even though Dr. Pontip's university qualification is a top 5 in Asia. Abdul Razak also questioned about whether Dr. Pontip is qualified to giving her professional opinion in alleged suicide cases. Fell from a higher ground because Abdul Razak questioned Dr. Pontip, saying that Dr. Pontip has not jumped off a building before, so she has no, she has no qualification, experience in questioning these kind of cases. Abdul Razak, MACC lead prosecutor, also suggested to Dr. Pontip that the late Teo Beng Hock, strangled himself to death, and he even demonstrated in court how can someone strangle himself or herself. So all these are very interesting, and my issue is why did Attorney General, why didn't Attorney General's chambers put up the video? All the other videos in the previous proceeding was up in their website, but not the latest one. So the question arises that in this conduct, people will believe AG's chamber has a hidden agenda to play with. You have to understand what is an inquest in an alleged suicide case. An inquest is for the coroner, but no one else. For the coroner, in this case, is Asmil, to make a decision whether the deceased has committed suicide or he has been killed, the cause of the deceased death. And all other parties, including our government lawyer, which is AG's chamber, and the MACC, and the police, and also the Selangor government lawyers, and also the lawyers for the Teo Beng Hock families, we are all to help the coroner to draw a conclusion. There is no prosecutor in this case, there is no defendant, there is no plaintiff, there is no accused in this case. I mean, in an inquest. Inquest, all parties are there to help the coroner. But by not putting up the latest proceeding in AG's chamber's website, I believe AG's chambers has lost the credibility. AG's chamber is not there to help the coroner to find the truth, the cause of Teo Beng Hock's death. But instead AG's chamber is playing one-sided. He's helping the MACC lead prosecutor Abdul Razak to push forward the idea that Teo Beng Hock committed suicide out of guilt. Since day one, Abdul Razak has been suggesting that that is the cause of the death. Teo Beng Hock committed suicide because out of guilt. And AG's chamber now is helping Abdul Razak. If not, why didn't AG's chamber put up the video link? Since AG's chamber has put out all the previous proceeding, the video clip. So my demand to AG's chamber today is, I demand AG's chamber to pull up the latest video recording of the inquest within 24 hours from now. Failing which, I will urge AG's chamber to take out all the previous video recordings of the inquest, because it has betrayed the government promise that the inquest is supposed to be transparent, accountability to all, without any bias. Video recording of the proceeding is not up in AG's chamber website. The rest they have put up, and The last proceeding was 18th of August. I waited until yesterday. I called up AZ Chamber, asked why I can't see the video in their website. And the explanation, the reason they gave me were two. One, it's a technical problem. Two, they couldn't locate the tape, the video tape.